We are back again. Bedianawalkerdoings, Bedianawalcooking, Bedianawalsoup. Chicken potatoes ball. So this is my potato. This is mock. It's freezed because I store it in the freezer. This is my mock. So this is my seasoned chicken for our chicken potato balls. This is my chicken. It's already seasoned, so we don't have to stress ourselves. I'll just put it on fire. So I'll add another season to it so that, because when it's seasoned and putting it in the freezer, it comes out with different taste. Yeah. So I'm adding more to my chicken because I want it to be so big, tasty. I want the taste to be great. So that's why I added chicken to my. So I'll put the rest more on my potatoes here. Egg here, my breadcrumbs. This is 2 different cheese here. Yeah, so now we dey here. Our potato is so on fire, and the chicken too is almost done. So now I'm mashing the chicken. Yeah, because I want it small. I want it mashed and soft so that I can add to the potatoes. Yeah, so I'm mashing the chicken. It's already seasoned. Maybe you may think why the chicken is seasoning. So our potatoes is cooked and I'm mashing it. I want soft texture, so I'm mashing it. Adding butter here, then I'll keep on mashing it. Yeah. Okay, so this is our mashed potatoes here. This is my minced chicken. I'm mixing them together. This is my cheese. I'm using 2 different kinds of cheese. I'm adding it to it. This is my parsley, spring onion, black pepper, and powder pepper. So let's mix them here. I'm mixing them together. Let's add our corn. We mix the corn to mix all the ingredients together now. This is my breadcrumbs. This is my egg, and this is milk powder and a little flour. So let's start. I'm adding a little water to my flour and my milk powder. I'm using it to coat it. Although I have egg here, but I want a little flour to coat my potatoes. Yeah. Okay, so this is our potato here. I'm coming to roll it. You see? It's all about Bedianawalkerdoings. So this is my milky egg. So this is the egg. Then the next one is my breadcrumbs. So you see, this is my chicken potato balls. You see, so after I will fry it, you see. If you are using your hand and you don't feel comfortable, you can wear gloves, okay? Yeah, so if you are watching me and if you think you are doing and you don't feel comfortable, you can wear gloves to get it. Yeah, so you see, after I will put it in the fridge for 20 minutes before I will remove it back and fry it. Yeah. So now we are going to fry it and eat with our ketchup or hot pepper sauce or mayonnaise sauce or cucumber sauce, tomato sauce, any sauce. So this is our chicken potato balls. So we are coming to fry it. So let's start frying it one by one. And you have to let some spaces. See? It's all about Bedianawalkerdoings. Bedianawalkerdoings. Bedianawalker cookie. Bedianawalker shake. Bedianawalker advisor. It's so. Hey! Charlie, do like my videos, eh? Do like, do subscribe. Let's vibe. This is the cooking vibes, the doings of the food. Yeah, you are your son, Juma, yeah, one. I want brownie gold color. So this is our chicken potato balls, eh? Yeah. So this is our potato chicken balls. You see.